Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Bissell CrossWave is not charging when placed on the docking station, it can be frustrating because the vacuum becomes unusable after the battery drains. You may place the unit on the dock and see no light or no charging response at all. This problem usually happens due to poor contact between the docking station and the vacuum, dirt on the charging points, or power supply issues. Since the docking system depends on proper alignment and clean connections, even a small amount of dust or a slight misplacement can stop the charging process. Many users think the battery is damaged, but often the issue is much simpler. It is important to check both the docking station and the vacuum carefully. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Bissell CrossWave docking station that is not charging. Try this. 1. Make sure the Bissell CrossWave docking station is plugged into a working power outlet. 2. Place the Bissell CrossWave properly on the Bissell CrossWave docking station. 3. Clean the charging contacts on the Bissell CrossWave and Bissell CrossWave docking station. 4. Check the power cable of the Bissell CrossWave docking station for any damage. 5. Try a different power outlet with the Bissell CrossWave docking station. 6. Place the Bissell CrossWave back on the Bissell CrossWave docking station and check if charging starts.